Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making search decisions that matter. Pick a handle and display name containing your main keyword so Instagram search indexes it. This drives discoverability. Once done, switch to a professional account and set category and contact fields so signals are complete. Next, write a short bio with 1 or 2 targeted keywords and a call to action. Keep it scannable. These steps immediately feed Instagram's algorithm and set the stage for content optimization. Now you focus on how content signals rank. Begin captions with your primary keyword because Instagram weights early text. That helps search and on-page snippets. Make alt text descriptive and include relevant keywords so visually impaired and algorithmic readers understand the image. Name files before upload for extra clarity. For hashtags, blend 1 or 2 niche tags with 3 to 5 broader tags and add them at the end or in the first comment. This balances relevance and reach efficiently. Finish by making SEO a system. Measure reach, saves, and profile visits weekly and iterate based on what grows discovery. You want signal-driven scaling. A /B test caption openings, alt text phrasing, and hashtag mixes to learn what triggers search and suggested placements. If visibility suddenly drops, audit account signals. Check for shadow ban causes like ban tags, repetitive comment pods, or broken links and remove or replace them. That single fix often restores normal discovery fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.